Continuation po, nose, sign, and symptoms. So, ang topic po natin ay sneezing. Sneezing. In acute cases, sneezing is always due to invasion of wind, which may be either wind cold or wind heat. Although the former is more common, the sneezing is accompanied by aversion to cold, shivers, fever, body aches, and floating falls. Other manifestations depend on whether the cause is wind cold or wind heat. Chronic sneezing is always a sign of allergic rhinitis, which in the experience of the author usually occurs against a background of lung qi deficiency and kidney yang deficiency. According to author, there also will be a deficiency of the kidney defensive qi system, as well as of the governing vessel. In such cases, sneezing is accompanied by allergy to house dust mites or pollen, itchy nose, tiredness, sweating, slight shortness of breath, pale tongue, and a weak pulse. Summary of sneezing: invasion of wind, sudden onset, aversion to cold, shivers, fever, floating falls. If deficiency of lungs and kidney defensive qi system, the symptoms are allergies, itchy nose, tiredness, sweating, slight shortness of breath, pale tongue, weak pulse. Invasion of wind, acute sneezing, aversion to cold, fever, body aches, occipital headache, floating pulse. Other manifestation depend on whether it is wind cold or wind heat. So, acupuncture po natin, lung 7, larynx intestine 4, triple Warner 5, and bladder 12, and bitong. Lung qi deficiency. Chronic sneezing, allergy to house dust mites or pollen, itchy nose, tiredness, slight shortness of breath, slight cough, weak voice, spontaneous daytime sweating, dislike of speaking, bright white complexion, propensity to catching cold, tiredness, dislike of cold, pale tongue, empty pulse. So pag ganun po, acupuncture po natin ng bladder 13, lung 7, ran 12, ran 6, and bitong. Kidney yang deficiency. So kung chronic po yung sneezing, then allergy to household dust mites or pollen. Worse after sex, lower back ache, coldness, sensation of cold in the lower back, feeling cold, weak legs, bright white complexion, weakness, tiredness, lassitude, abundant clear urination, scanty urination, urination at night, apathy, edema of lower legs. So, infertility in women, loose stool, depression, impotence, premature ejaculation, low sperm count, cold and thin sperm. Decreased libido, pale and wet tongue, deep weak pulse. So, pag ganun po, acupuncture natin ang bladder 23 or kidney 3, kidney 7, ren 4, ren 6, bitong, small intestine 3, bladder 62, and governing vessel. Clinical note, remember, sneezing is due not only to lack of diffusion of lung qi, but also to deficiency of kidneys' defensive qi system. In addition, the governing vessel is involved because it runs through the nose. Thank you po.